Hey guys, you probably saw my tutorials on GIMP making a button, but this would be on Photoshop, and it's a lot easier than you think. So basically, this is what it ends up looking like, and I'll tell you how to do it. So first, you want to make your new image, canvas, whatever you want to call it, and once you make that, you want to grab your rounded rectangle and just make a rounded rectangle basically, and then make a new layer, and then highlight them both, and then Command E on a Mac, Control E on a Windows to merge them both into one layer. So once you do that, you can hold Control and click on the image in the layer, get your gradient, and just stroke from the bottom up using a lighter gradient to a darker gradient, and you get this effect. And you can transform it into flip vertical, and then just control click, command click, whatever you want on it, and then grab your rectangle mark tool and then get your intersect with selection and get halfway in between, get your gradient out and do foreground to transparent and make your foreground white, then go from the top to the bottom. Once you have that, you should have a gloss effect. Make that about 50. And then you can go start making your text. So get your text and just drag it under your gloss. So, sorry about that. So you want like a bolded font, or like a font that stands out easy, because it works well with the effect, and just make it nice and big. Once you're done with that, right click on your green square, or whatever color yours is, mine's green, and make your stroke 2, and make your stroke 1, and then go to outer glow, make it black, go to blend mode, make it normal, and then make your opacity 100, and just bring out the size so it adds like a shadow behind it. Once you have that, you can go to your layer, your text layer, mine says click, go to blending options on it, and just add an outer glow and make it a color in the button. So I'm going to use this color, and that looks about good. If it stands out too much, just lower the opacity and make the blending layer normal. And then once you're done with that, you can go to gradient overlay and just change the gradient so it's like a gray to a darker gray. So darker gray, and then this one I want to be a lighter gray, and it should get that. Then go to your inner shadow in the blending options and just lower the opacity, and there's your button. That's basically what it looks like. If you want it to be a pressed button, so like the button's pressed down and you click on it, just flip it vertical. And yeah, thanks guys. Basically the same thing as GIMP. Photoshop and GIMP are very similar. You can basically do anything you want on it. Just rate, comment, subscribe, and see you later.